Hello and welcome to Neethu's Nest. Today I'm going to show you how to make a savory cake. In a saucepan, take around 3 tablespoons of oil, and once it is heated, add 1 cup of onion chopped and saute this well. Now to this add 4 to 5 green chilies chopped, around 4 strands of curry leaves chopped. Now to this add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it until the raw smell goes. Now to this you can add the meat. Here I have taken minced mutton and mix it well. Now add 1 medium sized tomato which is chopped. Now add around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, two teaspoons of garam masala, and mix this well. Make sure you do this on low flame. Now add 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes, around 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and saute it. Now to this you can add some salt. Now cover this and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Now after 20 minutes you can see that the meat is cooked. Now switch off the flame and keep this aside. Now for the batter, take a blender. In that add 3 eggs, to this add around 3/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, and some salt. Add around half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and blend this well. Now take a saucepan and grease it with oil. Now pour half the batter onto the saucepan. Preheat a tawa for 10 minutes, and on top of that keep the saucepan and cover it and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now after 3 minutes, open the lid and spread the meat filling on top of it. And on top of this now add the remaining batter. You can decorate it on top with some capsicum slices and the remaining meat. Now cover this and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, you can see that your savory cake is ready. It is a very tasty dish and tummy filling too. Instead of mutton, you can use chicken or any other meat of your choice and make this dish. So do give this a try and share your views in the comment box. If you like my recipes, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video with another recipe.